Good morning, this is Captain Drew Cavanaugh with Florida Inshore Fishing Charters and Mosquito Lagoon Site Fishing Charters. And today I'm going to show you a quick, really simple boat tip to help, especially like in higher humidity states. Like down here in Florida, we get a lot of humidity. And of course, you know, you start putting all your tackle in all these compartments, and things start to rust. You know, the humidity can just destroy a boat and tackle and gear, and especially electronics. So what I like to do in my compartments is I like to go buy these damp rid things, and they come with a pack, and then you can just buy the refill pack and put it in each compartment. Even on the bottom, it's got a little sticky Velcro thing that grabs, like you have a towel in there or something that grabs, and about every, I don't know, every 3-4 weeks I got to replace it. It's, I think $3-4 bucks for one. It's worth it, worth every cent of it. This is a damp rid pack that hangs in your closet, like at your house. So what I do in my console where my steering wheel's at for my Hughes, it's big enough I can get in there and I can hang it from the steering cable, and it keeps my battery and all my Blue Sea and electronics, you know, all the electronic switches dry. So basically just open it up, you know, put it in there and set it down inside the compartment here. And like I said, once every 3, 4, 5 weeks, just check it, and when it fills up, it will be full of water, and I'll show you that right here. And all my electronics and everything stay perfectly nice and dry. Very rarely in my compartments do I get humidity on the latches, inside the latches or everything. You can see everything's nice and clean, but I put one in each compartment. I've got 4 compartments on the boat, so 4 of those little things right here work perfectly, and I'll show you what they look like when they're full. Okay, so when one of these fills up, it kind of gets these little pellets inside, and you can just see how it's all sloshy, and you can hear the water inside of there. Just think that's all that humidity that could be inside, getting into your gear, your electronics, your tackle. And this is just a small tip that just really saves the boat, and it makes for good longevity and resale, and helps you out not spending money where you have to buy a new tackle and the rust and all that kind of stuff. So I want to thank everybody. Hope everybody has a great day. And this is Captain Drew Cavanaugh with Florida Inshore Fishing Charters. Should you have any questions, please feel to email me at the address below, or give me a call if you want to. And please subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.